Hi everyone. Here is another solid download manager worth checking out, which could be a great alternative to what you're using now. It's called Free Download Manager, or FDM for short. Besides speeding up your downloads and being able to resume the interrupted ones, it also supports BitTorrent, browser integration, and downloading videos from video sharing websites through FDM add-ons, which you can install separately. But I cannot give you a demo on that last feature, as it may violate YouTube's terms of services, but I will show you how to install FDM add-ons at the end of this video. Then it also allows you to easily control how much bandwidth it should consume while the downloads are in progress. On top of that, as its name implies, it's totally free and open source. It has no ad banners, no annoying pop-ups, and no hidden adware or spyware, which is very apparent from its clean user interface. And lastly, it runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Alright, now let me just show you how to install and configure FDM, especially how to install the add-ons to enhance its capabilities. So first, go to the FDM website and download the installer for your platform. Once the download is complete, run the FDM installer and then simply follow the instructions on the installation wizard. Alright, so here it is, a newly installed free download manager. To configure FDM, first, if this is your only download manager, then you should set it as your default download manager. Then click the triple bar icon at the top right corner, and then click Preferences. On the Preferences dialog, first, if you download files only occasionally, then you may turn off the Launch at Startup option so that FDM does not always run in the background when you are not using it. Otherwise, you may leave this option on. Then you may set a fixed default download folder if you wish. Then under Browser Integration, you can add the FDM extension to all the browsers you're using. For example, to add it to Google Chrome, click the Google Chrome button. Then click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Once done, you may click the Extensions button to verify that it has been indeed successfully added. Alright, now go back to the FDM Preferences and look for the Skip Domains option. Click the Edit List icon, and then you may add the domain names of all websites that you suspect to be malicious. If you put a website on the Skip Domains list, should you happen to visit that website and accidentally click a download link on it, FDM will not capture that link and hence safeguards you from downloading potentially malicious file. And then similarly, you may also tell FDM to skip files of certain types to tighten your download security. Then scroll down and go to the Traffic's Limit section. Here you can configure the bandwidth limit of each traffic usage mode if you wish. As I've shown you in the beginning of this video, you can easily switch to any mode during downloads from the status bar. And lastly, if you have an antivirus program installed on your system, for added security, you may also choose to automatically scan the downloaded files once the download is finished. Alright, now click the settings icon one more time, and then click Add-ons. We're going to install the Elephant Add-on for FDM, so that we can use FDM to download videos from video sharing websites. But before I proceed, I want to add a disclaimer that this is only intended for educational purpose and the completeness of this tutorial, and I do not encourage anyone to download copyrighted materials illegally with this tool. Alright, to install the Elephant Add-on, first go to the Elephant Add-on's GitHub page and download the latest version. You can find the link to this GitHub page on this video's description. Once the download is complete, go back to the FDM add-ons, and then click Install Add-on from File. Look for the elephant.fda that you just downloaded, and then click Install. Depending on your system, Elephant Add-on may need to install Dino and Python first, which are runtime environments for JavaScript and Python programming languages respectively. So if it says that the required software is still missing from your system, simply click OK to install those missing software, and then the add-on will be automatically installed afterward. Alright, so here it is, the Elephant Add-on, which will allow you to download videos from the supported video sharing websites, simply by copying the video link to FDM. Alright, so that's how easy it is to install and configure Free Download Manager. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.